Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on a Ridgeline. This is a 22, the second generation. This is the model I'm using. I got this at my local AutoZone, but I will include a link below in the description where you can get one off Amazon. The first thing you want to do is really empty out your glove box. If you don't, it's just going to dump on the floor. And then you want to take either side, squeeze it in, and pull it down. Now in here, there's a tab on either side of this tray. You just want to pull that out. And then there's you can see there's a tray that comes out. Well, that's what houses the filter. So take out your old one. Try and do this every 12 to 15,000 miles. And then your new one, you want to make sure the airflow is pointed downward. So it fits in just like that. And then just put that back into place. Make sure your tabs clip. And then this, you just want to push this in, and then you're all set. That's all you need to do. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.